Wolves are highly social and intelligent animals that typically live in packs. Their lifestyle is well adapted to their natural habitats, and they have developed various strategies for survival. Here's an overview of how wolves live and their lifestyle. Pack structure. Wolves are pack animals and usually live in family groups called packs. A pack typically consists of an alpha male and an alpha female, their offspring, and possibly some unrelated wolves. The pack structure helps with hunting, defense, and social bonding. Communication. Wolves communicate through a complex system of vocalizations, body language, and scent marking. Howling is one of their most recognizable forms of communication used for various reasons, including coordinating activities, defending territory, and calling for lost pack members. Hunting. Wolves are skilled hunters and primarily carnivorous, with their diet mainly consisting of ungulates, large herbivores, such as deer, elk, and moose. They use sophisticated hunting techniques, including teamwork and strategy, to take down large prey that can support the whole pack. Territory. Wolves have defined territories they mark with scent markings. These territories can vary in size depending on factors like prey availability and pack size. Defending their territory is essential for maintaining access to resources and ensuring their survival. Family bonds. Wolves exhibit strong family bonds within their packs. The alpha pair leads the pack, and other members of the group help care for the young and contribute to hunting and protection efforts. Breeding and reproduction. The alpha pair typically has the highest breeding status within the pack. Only the alpha female usually gives birth to pups. The entire pack contributes to the care and upbringing of the young. Dispersal. As young wolves mature, they may leave the pack to find their own territories and potentially form new packs. This dispersal helps prevent inbreeding and allows wolves to occupy new territories. Adaptability. Wolves are highly adaptable animals and can thrive in a variety of habitats, including forests, grasslands, tundras, and mountains. Their adaptability has allowed them to live across diverse regions, from North America and Europe to Asia. It's important to note that wolves are wild animals and should be respected from a distance. In many areas, they are protected species due to their importance in maintaining ecosystem balance. Human activities, such as habitat loss and hunting, have historically impacted wolf populations. Efforts are ongoing to promote conservation and coexistence with these fascinating creatures.
Here are some additional details about the lifestyle of wolves. Pack dynamics. The social structure within wolf packs is complex. The alpha male and female, also known as the breeding pair, hold the highest rank and typically make important decisions for the pack. They are usually the only ones to breed and produce offspring. Lower-ranking wolves, known as subordinates, follow the lead of the alpha pair and assist in various pack activities. Cooperation in hunting. Wolves are known for their remarkable hunting abilities, which are based on cooperation and teamwork. When hunting large prey, they form a coordinated attack strategy. Some wolves serve as drivers who pursue and herd the prey, while others may take on the role of ambushers, waiting to strike at the opportune moment. Nomadic lifestyle. While some wolf packs have settled territories, others live a more nomadic lifestyle, especially in areas with fluctuating prey populations. Nomadic wolves may cover large distances in search of food and suitable habitat. Intelligence and problem solving. wolves exhibit high levels of intelligence and problem-solving skills. They have been observed using tools, learning from past experiences, and adapting their hunting techniques to local conditions and prey behavior. Seasonal behavior. In colder climates, wolves often endure harsh winters. They are well adapted to these conditions, growing thicker winter coats to stay warm and relying on their keen sense of smell and hearing to locate prey in snowy landscapes. Communication with howling. Howling serves several purposes for wolves, including marking territory boundaries, coordinating group activities, and communicating with distant pack members. Each wolf has a unique howl, allowing pack members to recognize each other. Play and social interaction. Wolves engage in play to strengthen social bonds, practice hunting skills, and relieve stress. Play is particularly important for young wolves as they develop the physical and social skills necessary for adulthood. Diverse prey. While wolves primarily hunt large ungulates, they are opportunistic feeders and can also consume smaller mammals, birds, and even insects when larger prey is scarce. Importance in ecosystems. Wolves play a critical role in maintaining ecosystem balance. Their presence can affect the distribution and behavior of prey species, as well as the populations of other animals and plants. Human-wolf interaction. Human-wolf interactions have been complex throughout history. Wolves have been both feared and revered by various cultures. Unfortunately, human activities, such as hunting and habitat destruction, have led to the decline of wolf populations in many regions. Conservation efforts and initiatives to promote coexistence with wolves are essential for their continued survival. Understanding and appreciating the lifestyle of wolves can help foster greater respect for these magnificent creatures and support efforts to protect them and their habitats.
Here are some additional fascinating facts about the lifestyle of wolves. Dispersal patterns. When young wolves reach maturity, they often disperse from their natal pack to find new territories and potential mates. This dispersal helps maintain genetic diversity and establishes new wolf populations in different areas. Strong sense of family. The bonds within wolf packs are incredibly strong. Wolves show affection and care for one another, not only within their immediate family but also towards the entire pack. They demonstrate empathy and support for injured or sick pack members. Scent marking. Wolves use scent marking as a means of communication and territory defense. They have specialized scent glands located between their toes, which leave behind scent trails as they move. Additionally, they use urine and feces to mark specific locations within their territory. Lone wolves. While wolves are highly social animals, not all wolves live in packs. Some individuals, known as lone wolves, may be solitary due to various reasons, such as being unable to find a suitable pack or being dispersed from their original pack. Adaptations for silent movement. Wolves are adept at silent movement, which aids in their hunting success. They have large padded paws that allow them to move stealthily, making it easier for them to sneak up on their prey. Vocalizations. Wolves have a diverse range of vocalizations, including growls, whines, barks, and yips. Each vocalization conveys specific meanings and emotions, enabling wolves to communicate effectively with one another. Endurance and stamina. Wolves are well known for their incredible endurance and stamina.
They can cover long distances while hunting or traveling in search of food and water, sometimes covering over 30 miles, 48 kilometers, in a day. Monogamous bonds. The alpha pair in a wolf pack typically forms a monogamous bond that can last for life. They often stay together, leading the pack and raising multiple generations of offspring. Pup education. Pups in a wolf pack receive extensive education from the adult members. They learn essential hunting skills, social dynamics, and pack etiquette through play and observation. Cultural significance. Wolves hold cultural significance in many societies and folklore around the world. They have been featured in myths, legends, and spiritual beliefs, representing symbols of strength, wisdom, and guardianship. Regulating prey populations. Wolves play a critical role in regulating the populations of prey species. By keeping prey populations in check, they contribute to the health and stability of ecosystems. Conservation efforts. Due to habitat loss and historical persecution, several wolf species have faced significant challenges. However, conservation efforts and legal protections have led to some successful recovery stories in certain regions. As we continue to learn more about wolves and their lifestyle, it becomes increasingly evident that these magnificent creatures are vital components of ecosystems and worthy of protection and admiration. Understanding their behavior and interactions can lead to better conservation strategies and promote harmonious coexistence with these iconic animals.
Here are some additional aspects of wolves' lifestyle and their significance. Keystone species. Wolves are considered keystone species in many ecosystems. As top predators, they have a profound impact on the balance of the entire food web. Their presence or absence can influence the abundance and behavior of other species, leading to cascading effects on plant communities and other animal populations. Adaptive intelligence. Wolves possess remarkable adaptive intelligence, enabling them to adjust their behavior to changing conditions. They can modify their hunting techniques, social structure, and movements in response to variations in prey availability and environmental factors. Sense of territory. Wolves are highly territorial, and territories can range from several square miles to hundreds of square miles, depending on factors like prey density and habitat quality. They actively patrol and defend their territories from intruding wolves or other potential threats. Trophic cascades. The reintroduction of wolves to certain ecosystems has led to what is known as trophic cascades. By controlling prey populations, wolves indirectly affect the vegetation and other animal species, resulting in a more diverse and balanced ecosystem. Adaptations for extreme environments. Wolves have evolved various adaptations that allow them to survive in extreme environments. For example, the thick double-layered fur insulates them from cold temperatures, and their large lung capacity helps them endure harsh conditions at high altitudes. Social rituals. Wolves engage in various social rituals to maintain bonds and establish hierarchy within the pack. Among these rituals are nuzzling, grooming, and playing together. Human perceptions. Throughout history, wolves have been perceived both as symbols of wilderness and as threats to human interests. These perceptions have influenced human-wolf interactions and conservation efforts. Learning about wolf behavior can help dispel myths and foster more constructive relationships with these animals. Regulating prey behavior. Apart from reducing prey populations, Wolves' presence also influences the behavior of prey species. This, in turn, can lead to changes in vegetation patterns and overall ecosystem dynamics. Coexistence challenges. In some regions, conflicts arise between wolves and human activities like livestock farming. Finding ways for humans and wolves to coexist harmoniously is a complex challenge that involves implementing measures to protect livestock and promote non-lethal wolf management methods. Cultural heritage. Wolves have inspired art, literature, and storytelling in various cultures. Their role in folklore reflects the deep connections humans have felt with these creatures over the ages. Ecotourism and education. Wolves have become the focus of ecotourism initiatives aimed at promoting responsible wildlife viewing and education. Ethical ecotourism can help raise awareness about the importance of conserving wolves and their habitats. Climate resilience. Healthy wolf populations contribute to the resilience of ecosystems in the face of climate change. Their ability to adapt and maintain natural balance helps ecosystems withstand environmental challenges. The lifestyle of wolves is a testament to their resilience, adaptability, and crucial role in the intricate web of life. By understanding and appreciating their lifestyle, we can work towards ensuring the conservation and protection of these magnificent creatures for generations to come.
Here are some additional aspects of wolves' lifestyle and their ecological significance. Cultural bonds and family traditions. Wolves exhibit strong cultural bonds and often pass down knowledge and traditions through generations. The alpha pair's leadership and pack dynamics influence the social learning and behavior of younger wolves, contributing to the continuation of their unique culture. Pack cooperation and intelligence. The cooperation within wolf packs is awe-inspiring. Wolves are known for their problem-solving abilities and decision-making skills as they work together to overcome challenges and secure resources. Influence on prey selection. Wolves' hunting behavior can shape the distribution and behavior of prey species in an ecosystem. This predator-prey dance helps maintain a balance between herbivore populations and plant communities, preventing overgrazing in certain areas and promoting healthier habitats. Impact on scavengers. Wolves' hunting and scavenging behaviors benefit other animals within the ecosystem. Scavengers, such as ravens, eagles, and other carnivores, rely on the remains of wolf-killed prey as an important food source. Effects on riparian areas. Wolves' presence can have indirect effects on riparian areas, the transition zones between land and rivers or streams. By regulating prey populations, they can reduce browsing pressure on vegetation, leading to improved plant growth along riverbanks. Interspecies relationships. Wolves may form unique interspecies relationships, particularly with ravens. Ravens have been observed assisting wolves during hunts, as they know that a successful kill may result in leftover food that they can scavenge. Natural population control. In ecosystems where wolves are present, their predation on weak or diseased animals contributes to natural population control. This selective predation helps to maintain healthier and more genetically diverse prey populations. Ecological value in protected areas. Wolves are often considered flagship species, drawing attention to the importance of preserving natural landscapes and biodiversity. Protecting wolf habitats also safeguards other species that depend on the same ecosystem. Ecological resilience. Ecosystems with wolves as top predators tend to exhibit greater resilience in the face of disturbances like disease outbreaks or invasive species introductions. The presence of wolves can help buffer ecosystems against abrupt changes and maintain stability. Wild versus captive wolves. The lifestyle of wolves in the wild differs significantly from those kept in captivity or domesticated settings. Captive wolves may exhibit different behaviors due to their living conditions and dependence on human care. Vocal range and individuality. Wolves' vocalizations are incredibly diverse, and they can recognize the distinct howls of individual pack members, allowing them to communicate effectively over long distances. Human-wolf communication. Wolves can perceive and respond to human body language and vocal cues. Understanding how to behave around wild wolves can minimize potential conflicts and ensure safer interactions for both humans and wolves. Wisdom of the elders. Older wolves, due to their experience, often play crucial roles in decision-making and guiding pack behavior. They contribute to the pack's survival and stability through their accumulated knowledge. As we continue to study and appreciate wolves and their lifestyle, we gain valuable insights into the delicate interconnectedness of ecosystems and the importance of preserving the natural world. Protecting these majestic creatures and their habitats is not only crucial for their survival but also for the health and balance of our planet's biodiversity.
Here are some additional intriguing aspects of wolves' lifestyle and their ecological impact. Moon-related behaviors. Wolves' howling behavior has been associated with the lunar cycle, leading to the term howling at the moon. While wolves howl for various reasons, such as communication and social bonding, their howling activity does not increase during full moons. However, the eerie sound of howling wolves under a moonlit sky has captured the human imagination for generations. Resourceful predators. Wolves are resourceful predators that can adapt to changing circumstances. If their primary prey becomes scarce, they can switch to alternative food sources, such as small mammals, birds, fish, or carrion. Environmental indicators. The presence and behavior of wolves can serve as indicators of ecosystem health. Their absence or decline may signify imbalances or disturbances in an ecosystem, prompting scientists to investigate and address potential issues. Impact on ecosystem structure. Wolves' influence on prey populations can extend to altering vegetation patterns. Reduced browsing by herbivores due to wolf predation can lead to changes in plant growth and composition, affecting the structure of the ecosystem. Adaptations for prey capture. Wolves possess various adaptations that aid in capturing and subduing prey. Their powerful jaws and teeth, strong neck muscles, and specialized wrist joints allow them to take down large and formidable prey. Parental roles. Both the alpha male and alpha female play significant roles in raising wolf pups. They actively participate in nurturing, protecting, and providing food for the young, ensuring their survival and integration into the pack. Impact on mesopredators. Wolves' presence can regulate the populations of mesopredators, medium-sized predators, such as coyotes and foxes. By controlling these populations, wolves indirectly protect smaller prey species and promote biodiversity. Trophic linkages. Wolves create intricate trophic linkages within ecosystems. Their predatory behavior affects herbivore populations, which, in turn, influences plant communities, soil health, and other species throughout the food chain. Dispersal as conservation. Wolves' dispersal behavior is essential for maintaining genetic diversity among populations. Connecting isolated populations through dispersal corridors is crucial for the long-term survival of the species. Capturing the imagination. Wolves have captivated the human imagination and feature prominently in art, literature, and popular culture. Their presence in stories and myths often reflects themes of wilderness, freedom, and the struggle between humans and nature. Contributions to biodiversity. As apex predators, wolves contribute to biodiversity by helping regulate the abundance and distribution of other species within their ecosystems. This role is vital for maintaining a healthy and balanced ecosystem. Ancient survival. Wolves' ancestors have roamed the earth for millions of years, adapting and evolving to survive through various geological periods and environmental changes. Capturing the essence of wilderness. Wolves are often considered the epitome of wilderness and untamed nature. Preserving wolf populations and their habitats contributes to safeguarding the wild and untamed aspects of our natural world. Understanding the multifaceted lifestyle of wolves deepens our appreciation for their significance in ecological processes and cultural heritage. By recognizing the essential role they play in maintaining the delicate balance of ecosystems, we can work together to ensure their continued existence and coexistence with human communities.
Here are some additional aspects of wolves' lifestyle and their ecological significance. Human-wolf conflict mitigation. In areas where human-wolf conflicts occur, conservationists and biologists work on developing strategies to mitigate conflicts and promote coexistence. These efforts include implementing non-lethal deterrents to protect livestock, fostering community-based conservation initiatives, and educating the public about living alongside wolves. Pack stability. Maintaining a stable pack structure is crucial for the survival and success of wolf packs. Disruptions within the pack, such as the loss of key members, can have cascading effects on the overall dynamics and functioning of the group. Niche as top predators. Wolves occupy a unique ecological niche as apex predators. Their role as top predators influences the behavior of other species in the ecosystem, shaping the distribution and abundance of various plant and animal populations. Sensory abilities. Wolves possess extraordinary sensory abilities. Their keen sense of smell allows them to detect scents from miles away, aiding in finding prey and identifying other wolves or potential threats. Territory sharing with relatives. In some cases, neighboring wolf packs might have related individuals due to recent dispersal or historical connections. While they usually avoid direct confrontation, occasional interactions and territory sharing may occur. Seasonal migrations. In some regions, wolves undertake seasonal migrations, moving between different habitats in search of prey or to follow herds of migratory animals. Behavioral flexibility. Wolves demonstrate behavioral flexibility in response to environmental changes. They can adapt their hunting strategies, diet, and social structure to optimize their chances of survival in diverse landscapes. Ecosystem engineering. Wolves, as apex predators, have indirect effects on the physical landscape through their influence on herbivore behavior. By regulating herbivore populations, They can influence vegetation growth and the distribution of plants in their habitat. Resurgence and recovery. Some wolf populations have experienced resurgence and recovery due to successful conservation efforts and legal protections. These recovery stories highlight the positive outcomes of proactive conservation measures. Importance for indigenous cultures. Wolves hold spiritual and cultural significance for many indigenous communities worldwide. They are often revered as symbols of strength, unity, and ancestral connections to the natural world. Winter strategies. Wolves have evolved various strategies to survive harsh winter conditions. They may follow migration routes of prey, form larger packs for better hunting success, and rely on their thick winter coats to endure cold temperatures. Nonverbal communication. Wolves communicate not only through vocalizations but also through body language, facial expressions, and eye contact. These nonverbal cues are vital for conveying emotions, intentions, and social status within the pack. Keystone predators. Wolves' status as keystone predators means their presence can influence the structure and function of entire ecosystems, promoting biodiversity and enhancing the resilience of these natural systems. As we delve deeper into the intricacies of wolves' lifestyle and their role in ecological dynamics, we gain a profound appreciation for the complexity and interconnectedness of life on Earth. Their stories and importance serve as a reminder of our responsibility to protect and preserve the biodiversity and natural heritage of our planet for future generations.
Here are some additional fascinating aspects of wolves' lifestyle and their ecological significance. Adaptive social behavior. Wolves' social behavior is highly adaptive, allowing them to thrive in various environments. They can form packs in areas with abundant prey or live more solitary lives in regions with scarce resources. Interactions with other carnivores. Wolves interact with other carnivore species, such as bears and cougars, which share similar habitats. These interactions can be competitive or cooperative, depending on factors like food availability and territorial boundaries. Impact on prey behavior. The presence of wolves can influence the behavior of their prey, causing them to alter their feeding habits or avoid specific areas. This indirect effect is known as the landscape of fear, where prey animals modify their behavior to minimize the risk of predation. Denning sites. Wolves use dens for shelter and raising their pups. These dens are often located in secluded areas such as rock crevices, burrows, or thick vegetation to provide protection for the vulnerable young. Pack leadership. While the alpha pair typically leads the pack, other members also play essential roles. For example, experienced hunters may take the lead during a hunt, and other wolves contribute their unique strengths to support the pack's survival. Den site sharing. In certain circumstances, wolves may share den sites with other species, such as golden eagles. The eagles utilize the high vantage point for spotting prey, while the wolves benefit from the eagle's keen eyesight to detect potential threats. Adapting to human-dominated landscapes. Some wolf populations have learned to adapt to human-dominated landscapes. They may coexist near urban areas or utilize corridors that pass through human-altered environments. Influence on ecosystem nutrient cycling. Wolves contribute to nutrient cycling in ecosystems by providing carrion, dead animals, as a food source for scavengers and decomposers. This process helps recycle nutrients back into the ecosystem. Intraspecific cooperation. Intraspecific cooperation refers to cooperation among members of the same species. Wolves exhibit this behavior through coordinated hunting, communal pup rearing, and mutual grooming. Impact on prey population structure. Wolves' predation on different age classes of prey can affect the population structure of those species, influencing their reproductive success and overall dynamics. Wolf-human relationships in history. Wolves have played significant roles in human history, ranging from spiritual symbols to figures in folklore and mythology. Understanding these historical relationships can shed light on the evolving perceptions of wolves over time. Ecological restoration. The reintroduction of wolves to areas where they had been extirpated can contribute to ecological restoration, as their presence often helps restore natural ecosystem processes and biodiversity. Human learning from wolves. Observing wolf behavior in the wild can provide valuable insights for human societies, such as understanding cooperative strategies, social organization, and problem-solving skills. Emotional intelligence. Wolves demonstrate emotional intelligence, expressing joy, grief, and empathy towards pack members. They often mourn the loss of a pack mate and display affectionate behaviors toward one another. Influence on prey selection. Wolves' predation can indirectly influence the genetic makeup of prey populations by selectively removing certain individuals based on physical traits, behaviors, or vulnerabilities. The intricate tapestry of wolves' lifestyle and ecological significance continues to inspire researchers, conservationists, and nature enthusiasts worldwide. These majestic animals serve as a living testament to the interconnectedness of all living beings, and the importance of preserving biodiversity for the well-being of the planet.